Hello, this is a Renault Scenic 3. The pollen filter is on the right hand side on the right hand drive, near the clutch pedal. I found it easier to move this trim from under the steering wheel. There's a screw up there, there's a screw down there, and the pollen filter is in a hole right at the back there. So you got to undo the clutch pedal. There's 4 bolts that hold the clutch pedal in, and you lower the clutch pedal down out the way to get to the hole over there right at the back. There's a cover you pull out and the pollen filter goes in there. So I now move this trim, so hopefully it'll be easier to get back in. Thank you. And it's a 2009 or 59. Thank you.